And why is that important? Remember, as a business owner, you're going to eventually leave this business. And a stranger who doesn't know your business, doesn't know your staff, might not even know your industry, will have to come in and run this business. And number four, clear profit margins. I understand we all have certain customers that we might make one-offs for and give smaller, charge them a lower margin because the business is a lot more competitive and they might bring, a bigger revenue in. And we might have another customer that doesn't bring as much in and we need to at least, make the effort worth something, right? So you might charge them a higher margin. But when you're going to market, it is better for you to have standardization. Because remember, if you have standardization, you can show a clear path of how much this business is making in profit every single year, which will support you when you tell the potential buyer, hey, I'm looking for X, Y, and Z for it to be worth selling this business. If one quarter you have 10% margins, the next quarter you have 30% margins, the next quarter you have 5%, there's no true trend like what I was talking about in point two. So point five here, reducing owner dependency. That is so important. We see this happening every single time. An owner is the center of everything that takes place in the business, and they don't even know it. What I want you to ask yourself is, if you were to go on holiday for 6 months and you didn't answer any emails, you didn't speak to anybody, will this business run and still make profits and generate revenue? That's what you have to ask yourself. And if you can honestly say, well, I think this might go wrong, that might go wrong, it means the business is heavily dependent on you. Like I said previously, you're looking to exit and someone's looking to come into your business. If your business performance solely ties on you, your value will not be a premium. You might get lower multiples, which is not what you want. Remember, you've been working on this business for over a couple of decades. So selling your business will be the biggest liquidity event of your life. Don't be the biggest bottleneck.